Sprouts Farmers Market. Almond flour meal, flaxseed meal, coconut flour. Here is a Parmesan style cheese alternative. Pretty cool. Nutrition facts. Here's some monk fruit sweetener. Got some drink mixes. All different flavors. You got some protein in the greens. Look at that. You have a whole bunch of keto bars. Keto Crisp. Protein powder. MCT bars. More protein bars. You need to get this protein powder. Bone broth. Here's some keto tortillas. Found some of this. Get you some True Whip. Spaghetti. More noodles. Some Miracle noodles. Low sodium soy sauce. Look at this Alfredo sauce. Pink Primavera sauce. Pizza sauce made with avocado oil. Keto certified. Tartar sauce. Cocktail sauce. Teriyaki sauce. Here's some more barbecue sauce. They have all of your sweeteners. Golden monk fruit classic. Swerve. Here's your Lakanto pancake mix. Sugar-free syrup. Here's some baking flour. Egg wraps. Found some keto bread. Follow for more.